Hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. I know I am because I got my Orly Color Pass box. I'm so excited. So this is the winter box, and the Color Pass is $119 for a year. You get 4 boxes. So every time that Orly comes out with a new collection, you get the new collection and then some other extra goodies. So I haven't seen what's in here yet, so I'm kind of excited. So let's just take a peek without ruining my lighting, maybe. Here we go. All right. It always comes with lots of these lovely paper worms, Arctic Frost. Paperwork. Okay, look at these. Ooh, let's take the plastic off so that you can see better. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. I wonder if that one's going to be a white or a cream color, or if it's just going to be a clear. Looks like it's probably going to be a clear shimmery, a white and pink maybe. Put it down here so you can see it better. Yeah, that's cute. There are all the colors. Ooh, look at that dark blue. This is a pretty collection. What else? Let's see what's over here. Nail tip guides. You know. Yeah, they're just normal. If you want to do a French tip, whatever. No big deal. Ooh, perfume. Kind of weird for a nail box, but hey, why not? They send a lot of different stuff, like, I think last time it was a coffee scrub and stuff. I want 6 different perfumes. That's kind of cool, kind of cute. Bunch of different scents. Fruit-filled happiness, fresh ocean oasis. So you can try out the Skylar perfume. What else? Anything else? Ooh, a brush. I'm so excited. I love brushes. Okay, let's see. Ugh. Dry brush. I suppose if you want to do any dry brushing. That looks like it'd be a really good gel brush. See, and last time they sent a striper brush. It was a really good brush. So I am excited to see another brush in here. That is super cool. And that is all we got. Make sure. Yep, just a dry brush. That's normally $10. The white tip guides that are $5.90, and the perfume palette is usually $20. And then you've got all of your 6 winter collection colors for Arctic Frost for 2019. Pretty cute. I like this box. I enjoyed it a lot. If you enjoyed it too, or if you want to see more of me, please hit the like button and subscribe. And I will see you all next time when I swatch all of these new Orly polishes. I hope you have a great day. Bye!